muchachos, welcome here. Today's video, I'm doing a huge full house except for the bathrooms. My bathrooms are 9 times out of 10 okay. Other than my bathrooms, a huge house organization and cleaning video. This video was inspired by our new built-in furniture, like we just got in yesterday. This is something we thought if we are buying this house, we are doing these things to this house. So this was inspired by our new built-in furniture. Please don't rip out my earrings. And this was also inspired by the fact that for the past 48 hours, I haven't been at home too much. And when I'm not at home, our home falls to itty bitty pieces. It crumbles pretty darn fast. So I want to do an extreme clean video. We got a lot of things to just tidy, wipe down, put away, organize because of our, you want a head scratch? Because of our new built-in furniture, like it's just gonna be great. We did just get back from the market, so I do have some groceries that I need to put away, and I'm holding Elizabeth because firstly, she's really cute. And also because she's not feeling well. We all kind of just came down with the flu this morning. We're not feeling too hot. Also Christmas decorating tomorrow, so I just need my house to be in a better space than it is right now. So thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. I hope that I can get all this done in a good amount of time, but we shall see. Okay, let's get going.
The sound of a lion, I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you, and the way you make me feel, don't need to pretend. You got me falling. You got me falling. Did you know that? Just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room. Caught in emotion on every occasion, laughter and hours of gloom. You got me falling.
The entire kitchen area is completely cleaned up, and I want to show you guys the first built-in piece. So we have this beautiful bench. This was done by House Key Contracting, and I can just link their Instagram below. Not sponsored, we paid for it, and we're just so happy. So we are focusing on the cleaning aspect of this vlog right now, and then when everything is mostly clean, I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing and putting everything where it should be. So PS, if you watched one of my last vlogs, don't worry, the other leg that we lost in shipping, they're shipping back to us, or they're shipping it to us, so we will have another chair right there. The chairs are in mod, the table is lock and mortise, and this bench, like this was like my dream, to have a huge bench for kids to sit on, have a ton of people sit on, with storage for all the homeschool and craft supplies that we have. And there are 6 drawers. Our table is very light, and we're able to pull it out if we need to go into any of the kind of deeper drawers inside. Anyway, this is all clean. I'm gonna head upstairs. And the reason we're heading upstairs is because my laundry machine is dinging, which means it's laundry time. going, been filming with multiple cameras, vacuum done. This is Calvin's room. I get a lot of questions about the stickers on Calvin's wall. I just got those off Amazon, like super cheap. Same with the shelves. All tidy, everything is nice and clean. And then same with the little girl's room, nice and tidy. I've also talked about putting more stuff on the walls, and I saw this and I thought this was so beautiful. This was bought at a local shop. It's like $6. How pretty is that? So I'm going to put that right up here. I also have like this is made out of recycled fabric, this really pretty banner, or like chain, I don't know what you call that. I have a little cactus hanging there. Also, this entire time my kids have been entertaining themselves, also just lying down and reading a lot of books because they're not feeling well. Some people are asking for me to do a video on how to get your kids to entertain themselves. I will do it. I don't know when it's gonna go up, but I do want to do that kind of video because I understand how much a mom needs to do in her day and how good it is to prepare your kids for the future and just growing up and doing things on their own. So that video will be coming. But first, let's hang this up. Got it. Okay, so we have quite a mess to clean up, but you are gonna help me. I thought I'd show you guys. So this is the built-in furniture. Like, it is so perfect. So they widened the face of the fireplace. You can see the old tile, so we're gonna get that retiled. So the idea behind these was just more space for storage and then getting rid of these. We are able to fit bins, like a lot of bins in there. So we're gonna see how we organize all the kids' toys. So all the kids' toys will fit into the cabinets. We're gonna have to find a place to put our toy kitchen and just a whole lot of tidying up. And then tomorrow, when it's Christmas time, decorating time, we're going to put a bunch of stuff in the shelving units there. Yeah, the cabinets. So let's start by putting stuff into the cabinets, tidying everything up. Elizabeth and Calvin are napping, and I just have Ivy, and we're gonna get this done. This is gonna be so satisfying.
Might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. Might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. Got me. I feel it too. Might be the one that truly got me.
Amazing. The difference, Ivy, it's amazing. It is so unbelievable to me. You guys are probably like, why is she getting emotional? We seriously lived in a very small, teeny tiny space, and we dreamed of having this one day. We didn't think it would be so soon that we'd have just a beautiful space and this built-in furniture. We've freed up a lot of different space, like in our space. You gonna open it? Yep, go ahead. We rearranged all the shelves. These bins are from IKEA, and as you saw, they originally fit into these toy storage kind of things. One of those we'll get rid of, and then we'll keep the other one for outdoor toys. But they fit really well in here. So that's all the kids' toys in the living room. And then moving over here. Yes, we have the diaper basket, and then we have the kids' books. Kids are getting more books for Christmas, as I whisper in the microphone. So we're gonna start filling up maybe the bottom space, but the top space, so this is where I'm gonna put my workout equipment, my weights, my yoga mat. It's quite actually a big space, so I'm gonna be putting my stuff in there. Soft closure. Perfect. I love how much more face we have here, and I'm excited to put stuff on the shelves. But for now I think we're gonna go downstairs into the studio and like our garage entrance, it's a disaster. Like if I'm out of the house and like busy for a couple days, the house really does fall apart. And that's not Kieran or the kids not taking responsibility. It's just I do a lot. I do so much, and I don't expect anyone else in the world but me to actually just keep up with everything. So I enjoy doing this. I think it's great. It's an awesome way that I can serve my people. Let's go ahead and go downstairs.
Might be the truth. You might be the one that truly got me. Might be the truth. Might be the truth. You might be the one that truly got me. Might be the truth.
So I've previously, gotta go around here. Previously I talked to you guys about this closet, and in my previous declutter video I talk about it. I have like colors in here, and I have homeschool stuff, quiet time toys, crafts. So we're gonna take like all the crafts and art supplies and homeschool supplies in the house, I already have some on here, and put them in all these drawers. That's the reason we got all these drawers. Just knowing, being a homeschool mama, I am very determined on just leaving this area kind of as the homeschool area. So I'm gonna fill up all these drawers, organize all of them. I may not fill them all up. I may fill them up, I'm not sure. But does anyone else open drawers with their toes? If you do, let me know in a comment down below. Also, I was using my Canon T3i to film this, but it is not a wide angle lens, and this one is. So you can actually see the full view of what I am doing. P.S. I need to get a new camera. Check it. So we got like puzzles, more puzzles. We have some messy play in this one and this one. In this one we have our logarithmic boards. And here we have some school stuff and also just a craft we're doing tomorrow. Christmas popsicle stick crafts. Anyway, this is just gonna be fantastic. I know a lot of people will be like, but there's a table in front. You can move the table. It's not like we go into like these drawers every day. This drawer and this drawer, I have stuff that we'll use more often because it's just easier to get to. So I'm just so excited about having this storage. And if you look in the closet, there's nothing there. Kieran, my husband, he's an electrician, so he says he's gonna get me a plug in here so I can put my Dyson inside like the cleaning closet and let it charge. So next, I just have this little box of things that have to go upstairs. Actually, speaking of upstairs, I'll show you the other furniture piece we got built. All my days I've wanted a window seat. So this one is like huge. Let me see if I can show you like how big it is. Like it is such a huge like window seat. I'm gonna get some pillows. I know you can get like something like a cushion for the bottom, but like the kids are gonna come in here and have their books. So I'm gonna get some like really shallow baskets with books and stuff. And I'm gonna keep them here. And this is just gonna be so nice. I have a view of like our mountain. I can see like the deer and the bears, and it's just so cool. So this is our other like built-in piece. I've always wanted a window seat ever since I was a little girl. So this is our other built-in furniture. It's so cool. It's so cool, and it's so crazy to me just to have this. Like, are you kidding me? This is crazy. This is so cool. We're at our last room, which is my master bed, or mine and Kieran. I always say it's mine and Kieran's, or Kieran as well as my master bedroom. So this all looks tidy, but like if we shift, whoa. This video is so embarrassing to me because I am literally the cleanest, most organized person I know. It's just if I'm not here for the past couple days, everything falls into shambles and like ruin. My battery light is flashing. So I'm going to get going with this, and this will make me feel so much happier, and I will feel so good to have all this nice and clean. I have some Christmas presents for other people that came in today, so we gotta hide those. Oh, and I didn't even say, this is our bed. We got our bed in. If you saw one of my previous vlogs that I can link down below, we took apart our previous queen size bed. This is mine and Kieran's Christmas present, this ridiculously huge king-sized bed. We have our weighted hush blanket, we have our Last Light collection linens. The bed itself is by Wayfair. I really enjoy it. Anyway, please don't die, battery, and let's get going. So that is everything. A nice clean space for me and Kieran. The weighted blanket we will sleep with tonight, but the kids are asking to use it. So I'll bring that downstairs for the kids. Everything nice and tidy. Also using this today. This is the Loop juice. It has a bunch of yummy stuff in it, and hopefully it'll help me feel a little bit better. But I am gonna end it here for today's video. So thank you guys very much for being here. Thank you for watching. And this was just a day much needed to clean and tidy and get things done. Whenever I'm not in the house, I feel it when I come back. It's always nice coming back and cleaning and just prepping my house for people and for myself. I love it. It's actually a very fun activity for me to do. So thank you for joining me, and thank you for watching. Be sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna see you guys very soon for a Christmas decorating video. Very fun. Thank you for watching. Bye. How do you wave while you're holding a juice bottle? Bye.